Trust is the fruit of a relationship in which you know you are loved. These heartfelt words, spoken by the renowned author and theologian Henry Nouwen, remind us of the pivotal role that truth and trust play in our relationships. Explore with us the power of honesty, benefits, and consequences. In this profound exploration, we will delve into the intricate dynamics of truth within our connections, examining the benefits of honesty in nurturing deep trust and the consequences that arise when the foundation of trust is shaken. As we embark on our exploration of the profound concept of honesty as a virtue, let us venture into the depths of this moral compass that not only guides our actions, but shapes the very core of our character. Honesty, you see, is not a mere utterance of truth. It is a profound commitment to living in truth. First, let's explore the profound concept of honesty as a virtue, a moral compass that guides our actions and shapes our character. Honesty is not just about speaking the truth, it's about living in truth. It is crucial to recognize that honesty extends far beyond being a mere policy. It is a way of life that beckons us towards authenticity, transparency, and unwavering integrity. This virtue calls upon us to remain true to ourselves and to those around us. It invites us to honor our commitments and to uphold moral values, even when it's challenging. Join us as we unravel the layers of honesty, revealing its role as a beacon of light in the complex labyrinth of human morality. Together, we shall navigate the virtuous path of truth, exploring the benefits it bestows upon those who embrace it and the consequences that await those who choose a different course. So, let us embark on this enlightening journey into the heart of honesty, where virtue meets reality and where the power of authenticity becomes a force that shapes our lives and the world around us. Now let's delve into the numerous benefits that honesty brings into our lives. Embracing truthfulness opens doors to a world of positive outcomes. First and foremost, honesty fosters trust. When we consistently speak and act truthfully, we become reliable and trustworthy individuals. Others can confide in us, rely on us, and build genuine connections based on trust. Moreover, honesty cultivates respect. When we are transparent about our thoughts, feelings, and intentions, we earn the respect of those around us. People value authenticity and gravitate toward individuals who display it. Another significant benefit of honesty is the reduction of stress and anxiety. When we're truthful, we don't have to keep track of lies or live in fear of being discovered. The weight of deceit is lifted, allowing us to enjoy peace of mind. Honesty often requires vulnerability, and vulnerability is the key to deeper connections and personal growth. It's about having the courage to open up and share our authentic selves. When we embrace vulnerability and share our thoughts, fears, and aspirations with others, we invite them to do the same. This fosters genuine connections, empathy, and understanding, strengthening our relationships. Moreover, vulnerability allows us to confront our own imperfections and learn from them. It's through facing our fears and acknowledging our vulnerabilities that we can embark on a journey of self-improvement and personal growth. Now let's explore the consequences of lying and the treacherous path it can lead us down. Small lies can quickly spiral into a web of deceit, damaging our relationships and eroding trust. Lying can start innocently, but as one lie begets another, we find ourselves trapped in a web of falsehoods. This not only strains our relationships, but also takes a toll on our mental and emotional well-being. The erosion of trust is one of the most devastating consequences of lying. Once trust is broken, it's challenging to rebuild. People may doubt our intentions, question our integrity, and distance themselves from us. Trust is the cornerstone of any meaningful relationship. Let's delve deeper into how dishonesty can erode trust and have lasting effects on personal and professional connections. In relationships, trust is fragile. When honesty is compromised, trust is shattered, and the consequences can be profound. Broken trust often leads to feelings of betrayal, insecurity, and emotional distance. It's essential to understand that rebuilding trust takes time and effort. Regaining someone's trust after it's been broken is a challenging journey, and in some cases, trust may never be fully restored. Lying can have serious legal and ethical consequences. Real-world cases illustrate how dishonesty can lead to severe penalties, public shame, and lasting damage to one's reputation. From white-collar crimes to perjury and fraud, the legal consequences of lying are far-reaching. Individuals who engage in deceitful practices often find themselves facing not only legal troubles, but also damaged careers and reputations. Carrying the weight of guilt from lying can take a profound toll on mental and emotional well-being. Let's explore why living a lie can be emotionally exhausting. Guilt is a heavy burden that eats away at our conscience. When we lie, we must carry the secret with us, constantly fearing exposure. This constant anxiety can lead to stress, depression, and a diminished sense of self-worth. Breaking free from the cycle of lies is a step toward emotional liberation. Choosing honesty allows us to unburden ourselves from the weight of deceit and live with authenticity and peace. In conclusion, honesty is not just a choice, it's a path to a more fulfilling and authentic life. Embrace truthfulness, build trust, and reap the benefits of living with integrity. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the power of honesty. If you found this video valuable, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit. Remember, honesty is a choice that can change your life for the better.